Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting world of sun-sensitive art with the Sun Print Paper Kit by LIGHOON. If you're into arts, crafts, or just looking for a creative project to do with your kids, this might be the perfect choice for you. Stick around as we explore why this is considered the best sun-sensitive paper available on the market. First things first, let's talk about what this kit includes. You get 24 sheets of cyanotype paper and an acrylic panel. The paper size is about 5.8 by 8.3 inches, which is just right for various artistic projects. This kit is designed for solar printing, also known as cyanotype printing, a process that dates back to the 19th century. What makes this product stand out? It's incredibly easy to use. Simply place your objects or designs on the cyanotype paper, secure them with the acrylic panel, and expose it to sunlight for 5 to 15 minutes. The magic happens when you rinse the paper with water, revealing beautiful blue and white prints. Now, let me demonstrate how this works. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious beginner, this kit offers a hands-on, interactive way to create stunning artwork. It's perfect for kids too, fostering creativity and imagination. Plus, the satisfaction of seeing your creations come to life is truly priceless. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a unique touch to your art projects or simply want a fun activity to do with your family, the Sun Print Paper Kit by LIGHOON is a fantastic choice. It's affordable, easy to use, and offers endless creative possibilities. That wraps up today's review. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.